Hi, this is Teacher Giovanni and welcome to my online tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem involving age. So we have Carmen is 12 years older than David. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. How old are they now? So we have to make a table before solving the problem. So we have to show the relationship of Carmen's age and David's age. So there are two ages involved here, Carmen's age and David's age. So the first column should be the name. We have Carmen and David. So this is David. And this is Carmen. Alright, now let's go back to the first sentence of the problem. Carmen is 12 years older than David. So that means we have to make expressions of their ages. Alright? So it is stated that Carmen is 12 years older than David. So that means David is X. So let X be the age of David. So we put X here. And Carmen is 12 years older. Take note of the word older. That means we're gonna add 12 to David's age. So that would be X plus 12 age now. Alright, so we have X for David and we have X plus 12, that is for Carmen, based on the first sentence of the problem. Now let's continue. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. Take note of the word 5 years ago. 5 years ago, that means we subtract the age now by 5. So we have here 5 years ago. So we're gonna subtract each of the ages here by 5. So we have X for David minus 5. And we have here X plus 12 minus 5. We're gonna simplify X plus 12 minus 5, so that would be equal to X plus 7, because 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Alright, so we have here X minus 5 for David and X plus 7 for Carmen 5 years ago. Now the sum of their ages was 28. So meaning we're gonna add their ages. So we make an equation out from these expressions here, X minus 5 and X plus 7. So we have X minus 5 and then plus the age of Carmen, which is X plus 7, is equal to 28. So 28, that is the sum of their ages 5 years ago. Now we have here X minus 5 plus X plus 7. So we can combine the same terms. So we have X and negative 5 and 7. So that would be X plus X, that would be 2X. And then we have negative 5 plus 7, that would be plus 2. Okay, so negative 5 plus 7, that is 2, is equal to 28. Okay, and now our goal here is to find the value of X, so we have to apply the addition property of equality in order for us to remove this 2 here and transpose that to the other side. So that would be 2X plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 28 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, so that can be cancelled. So what remains here is 2X is equal to 28 minus 2 is equal to 26. In order for us to find the value of X, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient 2 here and 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So that would be X is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13. So the value of x here is 13. So what is that? That is the David's age now. Alright, now let's find the age of Carmen now. So what are we going to do? We have to use the expression x plus 12. Let's replace x by its value, which is 13. So that would be 13 plus 12. That would be equal to 25. So 13 plus 12 is 25. So what is this? Carmen's age. Alright, so now we have to check in order for us to be sure that our answers are correct. So let's gonna do a checking. So let's check if the sum of their ages 5 years ago is equal to 28. So what are we going to do? We're gonna subtract their age now by 5. So we have for David, so that is 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And we have Carmen, which is equal to 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. So these are their ages 5 years ago. Now let's gonna add 8 plus 20, that is equal to 28. That is correct. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something on how to solve a problem involving age like this. Once again, this is Teacher Giovanni saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!